So here's how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the browser and look for RAM map, and then open the first link, and it should take you to Microsoft official website. Now we'll need to download the RAM map tool. Click on download here, and it should download a zip file. Now you can simply open the zip file and extract it to desktop. Should look like this. Now we'll need to open the RAM map program. Wait for it to load, and now if we look in the Task Manager Performance tab, Memory, you can see the cached memory is 500 megabytes. If we click on Empty in the RAM map tool and then Empty Standby List, this should reset the cache and empty it. Now, whenever you want to empty the cache, you can simply open the program and do the same steps again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.